Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So today market trades in a range which is 40,900 to 40,500. So if tomorrow market closes below 40,500 or 550, then after that we can expect some selling pressure because from the last 2 days it continuously took support from that 40,600 to 550 level. So if tomorrow it breaks that, then it may be show some large movement, selling movement here, and target we can set to 40,000 round level also. And for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 40,850 or 800. Then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that market continuously goes down from the last 3 to 4 days, but today market totally goes sideways and it did not show any kind of positive movement or negative movement. It made trades high around that 40,900 level, which previously acted as a resistance level, and it also took support from that 40,600 level. So for taking easy trade, if tomorrow market opens in a range which is 40,700 to 40,600 and it trades below 40,600, then after that we can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be 40,400 to 250. And for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 40,800. Then after that we can expect some buying trade here, and our first target will be 40,900. And if it opens gap up and it trades above 40,900, then you can also expect some buying trade here, and target will be 41,000 round level to 41,220. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. So in Nifty, it continuously made negative candle here, and from the last 2 days the closing prices is around that 17,800 level. So today it also tried to close below that, but it could not sustain there. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market trades below that range which is 17,800 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be 70,732, round level 70,700. So for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 70,890 or 70,900. Then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that it continuously goes down, and today it also shows a negative movement here, and it made lower high here also. So if tomorrow market opens in that range which is 7,850 to 800 level and closes below 7,800, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and as I said, target will be 7,732, round level 7,700. And if it opens gap down around 7,700 or 7,750 and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying pressure here, because previously it took support from that zone. Then it may be happen that if it opens gap down, then many buyers should agree to take any kind of buying trade. So if it opens large gap down, then we're going to wait, as I said. And if it opens gap up above 70,900 or 880 and shows positive movement, after that you can set some buying trade here, and target will be 7,972, round level 70,800. So for taking any kind of selling trade, if it opens flat and gap down and shows negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here. For any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 70,890 or 900. Then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components. So in Bank Nifty components, our first bank will be HDFC Bank, and you can clearly see here that today HDFC Bank tried to close above that 1660 level, but it could not sustain there, and as of now it looks negative to me. So if tomorrow market trades below 1640, then after that we can take trade for selling, and target will be around 1620. In ICICI Bank, it made a doji candle here, so my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again trades below that 850 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be 840. And if it trades above 856 or 57, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target you can set to 865. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI, it continuously shows negative movement here, and right now it trades around that support zone which is 520. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens around that 520 and take any kind of support, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 530. And if it opens a gap up and shows a positive movement, then you can also take trade for buying. But if it trades below 520, which is previously acted as a support level, when it breaks that low, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target you can set to 510 to 500 round level. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see here that it also now trades around that zone which is previously acted as a support level, which is 1720. So my suggestion would be, let it trades below 1720 by tomorrow or on expiry day. Then after that you can expect some selling pressure here. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it tried to closes below that 840 level, which previously act as a major support level for almost 2 times. So my suggestion would be it also needs to closes below that 840 for taking any kind of selling trade. And if it trades below that 840 tomorrow or expiry day, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 820. Now let's look into our last bank, which is Indian Bank. In Indian Bank, you can clearly notice here that previously it took support from that 1100 level. So if it breaks that 1100 level and it trades above 1110 or 1105, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be 1120, because from the last 7 days it continuously took resistance and it continuously tried to close this below. So if tomorrow it shows any kind of positive movement, then it maybe goes up until 1120, and if it breaks that 1100 level, which is round level, then after that you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1080. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it, and let's meet on another day.